Hi, I'm Mike Glavin at City Floor Supply, and I'm with Tony from Bona US, and we're here today at City Floor Supply to show the Atomic Van.
This is our new dust containment mounted in the Dodge ProMaster van. There's a few models that you can actually get, the 2500 or the 3500 series. This system here is directly hooked into the gas tank of the van and exhausted out with the existing exhaust of the van. It's very, very simple to start. You just open up the gas line, turn it on, and then just switch it to the on, and more than likely, if it's cold, you're gonna have to use the choke. We provide the actual system and the installation of this system into this van. The contractor would then purchase the van through a dealership, and we can help with that process as far as assisting where to go or any specs that are required in order for this thing to fit properly. There are 2 firewalls that are required that we can give you information on that the dealership can actually install. And as you know, one of the requirements, as you can see, it's actually 2 double doors. We'll open up the other side as when we go around, but you do have to have 2 sliding doors in order to have the system mounted. This is a gas-driven system, and it actually taps right into the gas tank of the van. Also, the exhaust is tapped into the exhaust of the van. It does come with 200 feet of the 2-inch hose. Also comes with 150 of the 1.5-inch hose. It does have dual ports as far as hooking into. It does have the drop pan. You can hook up a separate drum for more gallons, so you're not changing this frequently. We have a promotion right now with the Bona Atomic Adventure promotion. As this van goes throughout the U.S., contractors can actually get their picture taken with the Bona Atomic man and send it into Instagram, hashtagging Bona Atomic Adventure, and have a chance to win a $10,000 all-paid vacation. Here's the back of the van. When you purchase this van, it doesn't come like we have here. It is extra to get this option put in here, but it'll come as a shell, and it'll be up to the contractor to either get shelving put in, or you can build your own shelf. As you see that the wrap, this wrap is also optional. Here's the other side of the door. You can see it goes all the way through. The actual exhaust is actually down into the truck. The gas line also is in the back. If you're interested, we can get you actually more information and specs. Thank you.